9. Solve the equations 3x minus 4y is equal to 6z minus 16. Equation 1. 4x minus y minus z is equal to 5. Equation 2. X is equal to 3y plus 2z minus 1. Equation 3. From equation 1 we have 3x minus 4y minus 6z is equal to minus 16. Equation 4. From equation 3 we have x minus 3y minus 2z is equal to minus 2. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 1 and equation 5 by 3 we have 3x minus 4y minus 6z is equal to minus 16 and 3x minus 9y minus 6z is equal to minus 6. Subtracting, cut 3x and 6z to 6z. Putting the value of 5y is equal to minus 10 or y is equal to minus 10 by 5 is equal to minus 2. Putting the value of y in equation 4, 4x plus 2 minus z is equal to 5 or 4x minus z is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Equation 6. Again putting the value of y in equation 4 we have 3x plus 8 minus 6z is equal to minus 16 or 3x minus 6z is equal to minus 16 minus 8 is equal to minus 24 or x minus 2z is equal to minus 8. Equation 7. Multiplying equation 6 by 2 and equation 7 by 1 we have 8x minus 2z is equal to 6 and x minus 2z is equal to minus 8. Subtracting 7x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 14 by 7 is equal to 2. Now putting the value of x in equation 6 we have 8 minus z is equal to 3 or minus z is equal to 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5 minus plus. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 5. Answer.